Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one account because you guys would just start with one account. You wouldn't get a bunch of accounts for some new program that you don't know about, So I just want to show the results of just starting, and kind of being like, hey, I should try this out. So anyway, guys, if you're interested, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general, and the main reason is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commission, guys, which is just insanity in my opinion. That's so high. 80% recurring commissions is so high. All right, guys. Recurring, 80% already really high, but recurring, that's unheard of. Never heard of it before, and that's why I like promoting it. So yeah, man, 80% is crazy. So for example, if you click on the link description, right, and you buy the $25 business, I'll get $20 of that. And then next month, you're still in the system, I get another $20 of that. It don't go down. That's unheard of. I don't know if you know, but that's unheard of. So anyway, guys, it's just the best program to promote right now, period. And this is the minimum effort way of promoting it. Like you don't have to do any work at all to make money online, guys. That's the thing. That's the beauty of this method that I'm finna show you guys. So anyway, guys, let's get to it here. First, we're gonna look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page and see what's going on. So don't trust results. Don't trust any of this until they refresh the page when you see results. All right, guys. So anyway. All right, guys. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Which is dope, man. We got a sale yesterday. Okay, so. Oh, wow. We're doing really well, man. Look at this. We had 4-6. That's crazy. All right, so. What we're going to do now, guys. What I want you guys to do, if you're interested in following along here, you see, there's a link in the description. All right, guys. And it's going to say step 1. $25 business. Now that should take you to this page here. Once you get to this page here, it just talks about how much money you can make, what it is, all this good stuff, right? Just all the information you need. $20 to $100 monthly commissions, which I'm receiving a lot of right now. So anyway, guys, you click on yes, I want in. Once you do that, it'll take you to a video explaining what you're buying real quick, and make sure you understand what you're doing. So anyway, guys, once you get through that video, it'll take you to a page like this where you can actually purchase the product, the $25 business there, guys. You just put in all your information, all that good stuff, and it's $25. All right, guys. So one thing I want to explain is this situation here. Now this is HBA Premium, another product in the system, guys. This is a fully another product, and what it's all about is training on how to get traffic to your offer and so on and so forth, on any kind of ads, or you making a YouTube channel about it or whatever. So anything like that. So, and it's constantly updated. It even has a content machine in there where you type in, write me an article about whatever, and it'll do it for you and stuff like that. So yeah, that's $125 a month. But if you do click on the link in the description, you do get it for free for the first 2 weeks, guys. And I recommend taking this at least for the first 2 weeks. I'm gonna tell you why real quick. The way this system works is that you have to have the product to get commissions on the product. So for example, if you were to buy the $25 business and not get this right here, not get the 14-day free, all right, guys, and then you get somebody else in the system who does get this, and they decide to pay $100 a month, you will not receive that $100. All right, guys, the company will receive that. I won't receive your $100 either. The company receives that. It's not a MLM. So yeah, that's how that works. So you won't you won't get, you should go ahead and get it at least for the first 14 days because it's free. So anyway, guys, that's how that works. Okay, once you do that, it's gonna take you to a page like this. Go up a little bit with this up here at the top here. Now there's one more product, the Financial Literacy Academy. Now this ain't recurring commission, guys. This is a one-time payment, but it's $500 for the first 3 days, and then it's $1,000. They give you 3 days to get it, if you know, for $500. They have 50% off. But if you want to skip those days, you don't trust the system yet or whatever it may be, you can always skip it and don't get that, and get it for $1,000. I've been paid this twice. I gotten $400 twice off of this. And yeah, so I already made my money back on this product. And anything after this, like somebody decide later on they're gonna pay the $1,000, that's fine. You do that. And so that's all this product is as well. So that's a high ticket commission for this product program as well. So, and like it stated before, you have to have the product to get the recurring commission from it. So anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. I'm sorry about that, going on that tangent. But anyway, you click on the affiliate zone, guys. You click on the affiliate zone, and then you click on sign up for the affiliate program here. All right, guys. Once you click on that, all right, it'll take you to a little thing. You sign in, all that good stuff, and you go to log into SimCart. That's gonna take you back to this page here. It's gonna take you to this page here. Now the reason why you want to get this page here is because if you get paid at all that good stuff, right? But also you get your links here. Now this is the link that you want to use. You want this link here, the all-in-one $25 bids. That's the one that promotes the recurring commissions, both of them. And it's basically these two here. So, and more information, it's more products and stuff, but yeah, for the most part. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna need you to click on the second link that says step 2 in the description. That should take you to My Lead Gen Secrets, this page here. Now on this page, if you want to watch the video, you can. It basically gonna talk about what this product is. Long story short, it gives you 100 leads every single day. 100 leads. Now these leads are cold. These are cold leads because they haven't heard of your product yet, but they're interested in making money online. All right, guys, they're interested in making money online. These are real leads because I'm making so much money off of this. So yeah. So anyway, you just click on use my secret. You put in your email, sign in, make your account. I'm gonna log in my account real quick. I did your affiliate account. And yeah, you come to this page here. Now one thing I want to talk about is gonna ask you if you want some master email swipes. Do not purchase the master email swipes. I give you a ton of free email swipes that you can use instead. For signing up for me, that in my videos pretty much just show you the email themselves, and you can just pause and look at those videos and copy them. And they work a lot better than the email swipes that they use. They pretty super generic, you know, the email swipes. They do work, but it's better to use my emails. My emails perform a lot better in my opinion. Well, no, they just have performed a lot better so far. So anyway, guys, you go to mailing system. You can also look at your leads if you want to, but I'm not gonna show my leads, information, so I ain't gonna click there. But go to mailing system here, and what you can do. And let me show you the statistic real quick. Look at all these clicks. You get so many clicks. You get 300 clicks here, 200 clicks here. I get a ton of clicks, guys. I'm constantly getting these clicks. So I just wanted to clarify that as well. So you want to go to mailing system real quick, and you want to click on all that. Don't worry about your number being low for at the beginning. You're only gonna have 100, but it don't matter. New people come in all the time, and that's what you want. You want new people to see your emails all the time, and you get sales. I don't see one thing I want to make sure. One thing I want to say. Sir, my accounts have. It don't matter. It really doesn't matter how many leads you have. To be honest, my accounts that is like just this has outperformed this account here. All right, guys, when it comes to getting sales. All right, so it doesn't really matter how big your account is. It's just a numbers game. All right, so anyway, let's go on to our next email here that we're gonna use. Alicia Entrepreneur. So it's this one. 80% recurring commission, the gift that keeps on giving. All right, guys, you just copy that. Make sure you copy that. Pause the video if you need to copy it, and you just short. Look how short the email is. That's it. This is it. This is the whole email. So just pause and copy that, and you're good. All right, guys. That's all it takes. So we're gonna click on perfect timing. Make sure you put your link in there. All right, guys. Make sure you hit preview and make sure your link works. All right. Mine worked. All right. Perfect timing. Send the email around time people check their emails. I want to make sure I clarify that as well. And we're gonna send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. You see how easy that was? Very simple, very easy process. Now, once you have a ton of emails in the system, all it takes is like half a minute every day to make sure you post an email that you already got written up. And just do that every morning and start making a lot of money, guys. Alright, guys, that's all there is to it today. Like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.